Welcome to One's Academy. In this video, we will talk about how to use One's resource to manage resources and track progress. We often encounter the following problems when dealing with daily resource management work. First, improper scheduling, resulting in scheduling conflicts. Second, inappropriate allocation of resources, which can lead to inefficiencies in the work of team members. Third, difficulty in tracking project progress, resulting in project delays. These problems can lead to the project failure and waste of resources. Therefore, proper and efficient resource planning and progress tracking can assist managers in having a clear understanding of the resource scheduling, developing reliable project plans, and ensuring that members perform at their best efficiency under reasonable workloads. We can achieve the above goals through One's resource. One's resource is a resource planning and progress tracking tool designed based on One's project. It helps managers gain a clear understanding of the scheduling work log information recorded by members in One's project through various Gantt calendar views. This ensures that members perform at their best efficiency under reasonable workloads. Utilization is an important indicator that helps managers assess the workload of team members. Utilization refers to the ratio of the amount of work effectively scheduled or invested by members within a certain period of time. When the utilization exceeds a reasonable value, members will be in an overloaded status. Only with a reasonable workload can members ensure the highest efficiency. In addition, the utilization indicators vary across different teams. In One's resource, managers can select either the number of issues or the work log dimension to learn about a member's utilization. Next, with an example of a 2-week sprint planning, we will demonstrate how project managers utilize workload to accomplish sprint resource planning. Go to One's Resources Work Log Calendar and select Work Schedule Calendar. Click the date picker in the top left corner of the calendar to select a 2-week range of sprints. Then click on the filter in the member column. Select the range of members that will be scheduled into this sprint, and the calendar will load the schedule utilization of the members for these 2 weeks. We can click on specific members, and the calendar will show the members' work recorded in One's project in the form of a Gantt chart. We can also gain a better understanding of members' work schedules in a more structured manner by utilizing the Group By feature. This allows us to identify the composition and priority of members' current tasks, enabling a more scientific assessment of whether they are suitable to be included in sprints. After identifying the specific sprint members, we can assign the work in One's project to the appropriate members by dragging and dropping the mouse on the specific date to complete the task scheduling plan. Through the above actions, we identified the right person for the sprint and efficiently completed the sprint task planning. After completing the sprint schedule, we will enter the phase of daily sprint progress tracking. At this stage, after completing the task, members can use the Log Time button to directly record the time spent and scale of each completed task in One's project. The managers can use the Time Spent calendar for members to learn about the overall involvement of team members. In the Time Spent calendar for members, we can use the Date filter and Member filter to specify the members we need to know within the sprint date range. By analyzing metrics such as average utilization, total working hours, and daily utilization, we can assess the work input of team members during this period at various levels. This information helps us determine whether their actual input aligns with our planned expectations. For members who do not meet the planning expectations or are overloaded, we can click on the members to learn about their actual work input details in the form of a Gantt chart. You can also identify the cause of specific deviations or overloads in a more specific way by clicking on Group By. Finally, for any unreasonable issues, we can click on the title of the issue to learn more about its details. This will provide us with more specific information about any deviations, allowing us to effectively predict and address the risks in project implementation. Hope this session will help you better understand how to use one's resource for effective resource planning and progress tracking. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please contact us at support@ones.com. See you next time.